attacks remaining. So it's really only one base that they need to hold that would give them the opportunity to take the lead. So still anybody's game here. I mean, let's be real, you would absolutely want to be in TOMPINAI Empire's position with the 1-star lead.
Hard to say that at this point. eVe MUDDA, though, might be the one to get the turnaround going on in for them. As we mentioned yesterday, he's a relatively new player to the competitive scene, having just reached the age of majority for competition. Loves base building and is a fearsome attacker, but didn't get the triple yesterday. Will today be his time to shine?
Hopefully, he was their top hitter in the pre-qualifiers. It was unfortunate yesterday that he did get that 87% 2-star. With the Battle Blimp taking the Town Hall, that's a good start, but the air defense is shredding the healers. He's forced to use a freeze and a couple of balloons. I think he did lose a healer there to that air defense and the freeze spell, so a little bit costly, but nothing too drastic that he couldn't fix, would he?
Yeah, Archer's really slowed down the approach of MUDDA's Queen there, and yet that compartment has now been all but completely neutralized. Multi-target Inferno will start to engage and try to zap onto anything that wanders a bit too close, but the Queen is not too worried about that at all, receiving some excellent heals from the raged up healers behind her. We're now 1 minute into this attack and waiting for the Dragon Riders to come on in. There they are at the top corner, getting support from the Grand Warden as well. Check the spells. He's got a rage, a few freezes, and is still holding on to a little bit in his offensive kit, but not really very much to add on except for cleanup on the backside. A big swath of his space still standing, Judo.
I have to say, I think the Grand Warden's ability was very impressive there to protect the Headhunters. They move across to the Queen. Oh, they don't quite get her, Woody, but the Owl should be able to finish the Queen off here. She is starting to take the Dragon Riders down, and fast, though. Enemy Queen falls. Can the Dragon Riders get this single target Inferno? He's frozen, but it's the air defense, and they miss it. Hopefully, yes, other Dragon Riders move on in because the Royal Champion needed to stay alive. She's got the ability. There you are, eVe MUDDA celebrating in style, and that is exactly what Team Elevate needed, Woody.
Boom. The hit is good. A minute left for cleanup, and there's nothing to worry about in terms of time. It was really just a race to finish off those last remaining structures on defense. Good strike from the Royal Champion and holding on to a spare freeze at the end of this attack. eVe MUDDA showing up in style and grabbing the triple when his squad needed it the most. I gotta say, the scoreboard really looks to be heavily favoring TOMPINAI Empire.